Yeah, placements are okay. Okay, it's fine as compared to with other entities in the south. No, when we can't compare with top entities like because it is a newly constructing NIT. So placements are okay, fine. Actually, we are working in a temporary campus. We
Okay.
don't have our permanent campus is still building in Sokra in Cherrapunji. Faculties and professors, they are very good and they are all PhD done PhD, and we have one professor in our department.
तो यार हमने इनिशिएटिव ले रखा है जिसमें हम इंडिया के सारे एनआईटीज आईआईटीज एंड ट्रिपल आईटीज सबके कॉलेज रिव्यूज हम कवर करेंगे और जितने भी कॉलेज रिव्यूज हैं यार ये इनकी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको उन्हीं के स्टूडेंट्स के थ्रू पता लगेगी जिससे यार आपको एक्चुअल इन्फॉर्मेशन पता लग पाए कि एक्चुअली में जो आप इंटरनेट पे देखते हो और एक्चुअल में कॉलेज के अंदर क्या चल रहा है उससे आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाए अपना कॉलेज सेलेक्ट करने में। तो अगर आपको यार चैनल को सपोर्ट दिखाना है तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना एंड इस वीडियो को भी आप लाइक कर देना। और वीडियो थोड़ी सी लंबी हो सकती है तो यार हमने आपके लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में टाइम स्टैम्प्स का भी इंतजाम कर रखा है, तो आपको किसी भी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे स्किप करना हो तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जाना, टाइम स्टैम्प पे क्लिक कर सकते हो, उससे आप डायरेक्टली उस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे पहुंच जाओगे वीडियो के। तो बिना किसी देरी के यार इस वीडियो को करते हैं स्टार्ट इंट्रो के बाद।
So today we are going to review NIT Meghalaya, and today we have with us EV, who is a student of NIT Meghalaya. So let's introduce EV and get to know him a little better.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Emmanuel Vemori, and many will be calling my name EV. I'm BTech graduate, final year graduate. I am from 2017 batch. I'm studying. Currently, I'm in final year BTech. Uh, I'm studying electrical engineering here.
Right. So my first question to you is this: why NIT Meghalaya among all the NITs or other colleges you are getting? Why you chose NIT Meghalaya?
Actually, it is based on my rank. I choose NIT
Right.
Meghalaya. Mm, Most probably, I have applied for North. I mean South NITs. Basically, I'm from South. Due to my rank, I got placement here, and that too in electrical department we have PGCL, which is coming here. In the only Northeast, we have only the PGCL, which is coming here. It is recruiting directly here, so I have chosen NIT Meghalaya as my option. And also we have a nice weather here, nice climate, and then comparing with other NITs from Northeast, NIT Meghalaya is in top, and it is in all India ranking. It has 15th rank when I was joined here, and now it is upgraded to 14th.
All right. Right. So can you tell us about the campus of the college? Can you describe the beauty of your college and how big is your college?
Actually, we are working in a temporary campus. We
Okay.
don't have our permanent campus is still building in Sokra in Cherrapunji, and then the place Sokra is the wettest place in India, and we have very beautiful campus of 4,004 not 440 acres campus. And then now in temporary campus we are working in Shillong in Laitmukra. It's a very small campus, but we have all the facilities, all the labs, everything is fine in here in Shillong and in the campus. And then in the campus we have nice climate, and then nice weather, and everything is fine.
Right. So now let's talk about fees of the college. How much is per semester fees, and are there any scholarships given to the students?
Yeah, the semester fee for BTech students, it will be 97,000 per semester,
Right.
and then it's depends, like if you were belongs to an SC/ST category, you will get a fee waiver, and then if based on income family income, there will be some scholarships. They will refund your tuition fee if your income is below 1 lakh, and if you have income within 1 to 3 lakhs, they will refund you 30% of your tuition fee, which is 52,500 rupees. And then coming to hostel fees, every semester we have to pay 32,000, including the mess bill.
All right.
Right.
So now let's talk about the college infrastructure there. I mean, the labs, library, are all the facilities good for the students who are studying there?
From electrical department, of view, we mainly focus on power systems. In power systems, we have all types of labs coming from power system simulation lab. I mean, basic electrical lab, electrical machines lab, electrical drives lab. We have all types of labs, and then all machines are here are really working good. And then the new machines they have brought us recently. And then coming from the library, we have a small library, a mini library, which is called a central library. We have many journals, and then all types of books available there. And then we have even e-library also in the campus. E-library is provided to everyone for Springer General. They will provide it.
Okay, so now let's talk about the faculties and professor of the college. So how are they?
Faculties and professors, they are very good, and they are all PhD, done PhD. And we have one professor in our department, and then his name is Gayadhar Panda. Recently he got top 2 percentage or top 2 percentile research paper publication, and then in its rank all India rank fourth in terms of faculty in all our NITs.
Right.
Okay. Now let's talk about the hostel facilities there. How are the hostels there? And talking about mess food, how is it?
Coming for hostels, we have different hostels for each semester, and then because we are running in a temporary campus, we have different hostels in different locations. Mm, we have gym facility, and then the gym facility is only available in one hostel, and then every hostel has to come to there. And then we have Wi-Fi facilities, we have mess. Coming to the mess point, we don't have proper mess. I mean, food is not quite good because people from South India and North India, they can't find good food here. Comparing to other NITs, we have the cheapest and then cheapest mess price for everyone. For as I have to say, like for mess, you have to compromise.
Okay, so my next question is how is your interaction with seniors, and are there any cases of ragging there?
Cases of ragging, no ragging at all. And then seniors are very good, and they taught me because I was the first time I have stepped out of my state. So seniors are very good. They taught me, they explained me everything good. And then now I'm final year, and I'm also helping many of my juniors also
Right.
to then to get all the details, and then to know about the campus and to know about all the placements, everything we are helping them in for all cases, for all things we are helping them. Yeah, we are no ragging at all.
So my next question to you is, how is the girls to boys ratio in NIT Meghalaya?
Girls to boys ratio, it is too low. I mean, in my class there are only 3 girls out of 30 students of boys. So it is 0.1 ratio in every branch. It is the same. So, but anyhow, but because the government have initiated to some initiations like girls percent they increase more for reservation category for girls. So most probably expecting juniors they will get more girls.
Yeah.
So now let's talk about placement and internship opportunities of your college. So
How are the placements?
yeah.
Yeah, placements are okay, it's fine as compared to with other NITs in the south. When we can't compare with top NITs, like because it is a newly constructing NIT. So placements are okay, fine. And last year we got a highest package of 55 lakhs per annum for CSC. And then for uh, electrical core companies are visiting to 3 to 4 core companies: L&T Constructions, Vedanta, Tata Power, Citizen. And then this year also we have good record of placements. Recently, 25 lakhs was up to now. 25 lakhs was the highest package, and then almost average 50 to 60, 70 to 80% will be get almost placed. So CTC, it is average CTC we will get around 4 lakhs to 5 lakhs per annum.
Right.
Frankly speaking, 3.5 to 4.5.
Okay. Yeah, it's quite decent. And my next question to you is about the college societies fest. How are they? I mean, what's the main cultural fest of the NIT Meghalaya, and about the societies and all that?
We have two major cultural fest in NIT Meghalaya. One is Cognitia, we call it Cognitia, that is technical fest, which will include all the technical related fest. and then another one is Shishir, that is the cultural fest we are having it here. And then it cultural fest, it will goes on 3 days, and complete cultural events will be going on. EBSP event, as you know, Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, dancing, drama, all these things all the cultural things will come into under. And then we have pro night. So two major of the fest we are having, and then we have small first fest and the small cultural activities. So depends on the availability of this, then available.
Now let's talk about something apart from academics. How are sports facilities there, and what are the various opportunities you get in sports?
Sports, actually we don't have a ground because we don't have a temporary
Right.
campus. Yeah, we are working in temporary campus, so we don't have a ground. Sports, no, there is no much scope for sports. If you want to play sports, you have to go out near the ground, and then if here it is too cold, its temperature, it will be really maximum temperature, it will rise to 22 or 23. So temperature is too cold, so you can't come out and play for a long time unless you are so strong. So coming to sports, this is 2 week, and then but recently we even went. We have some badminton games like intra-NITs games and intra uh, indoor. They preferably indoor games because of cold. So cricket, people expecting cricket, it is too difficult here. But football is the main sport they are going to play here in Shillong, and they support football more. And recently, NIT Meghalaya got second place in All India and Inter NIT. I mean, all NITs second place in football.
How
How
are
good
the
is alumni network?
yeah? How are the college alumni, and how you get benefited from the network?
Alumina, there are very good people who got settled.
How difficult it
one-
is to connect with alumni?
It's not at all difficult. It is easy because first semester we have 2 times we have meeting with the alumni. This like motivational talks. So recently, one guy from Prem Rapta, he's working with Google with 60 lakh, 96 lakhs package, and then he has his own startup. So yeah, we are meeting them, and then we have the institution conducts the first semester 2 talks with the alumni, and then the how things are going in the industry way, and then getting experience, and then get some basic knowledge regarding all those things in the basic. Yeah, it is very good and fine.
Right. So my last question to you is, if you have to conclude your overall journey of NIT Meghalaya, how would you do that? And is there any message you want to give students who are coming to NIT Meghalaya this year?
My overall journey, and it is very good and fine. It is new and experience because I was coming out of the place from South India to the topmost eastern states, North India, Northeast India. So it is very good and very fine. And then here the culture is very good and very fine. But the thing is, you have to get and mingle with all the your culture here because it is new culture here. So with all the local peoples, and then mm, coming to students coming from Nayala, you just come. Yeah, institution will teach you everything. That's all I want to say for that.
Okay, right. Okay, so let's end this video here. Thank you, Emmanuel, for coming here and sharing the information of your college. And I hope all the viewers who are watching this video like this video. If you do like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
It gave us motivation
yes,
to make
more content like
Yeah.
this. So let's end this video here. If you have any doubt regarding NIT Meghalaya, I'll leave the social media handles of Emmanuel in the description box. You can check that out. And if you want to ask us anything, you can connect with us on our social media handles. Link to that will be available in the description. On that note, let's end this video here. Stay safe, stay happy, and we will see you guys in the next video.
bye-bye.